Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add quick shop in Shopify. So in order to do this, just you have to install this application from Play Store, that is quick shop. So you can easily search this application from Play Store, and now after that just log into your account. Now you have to select your store. So like I am selecting my store. So just when you successfully log into your account, so you can easily add this app in your store. So now here you can see our app is being loaded. Wait for a few seconds and after that click on install app. So in order to use this, you have to buy a premium package or you have to subscribe the premium option. So here you can add the payment method and after that you can add quick shop in Shopify.